Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. If you missed us last week, you didn't miss us. We didn't post, and that was the first time in a very long time. And the reason for that is because the man behind the camera, John, not him, his wife gave birth to his third child. So we want to take a minute to congratulate John on the birth of his new daughter. We'll start here in LATROBE. We've got a Mustang GTD. This is the Mustang everybody's talking about. It ran a way sub 7 minute on the Nürburgring. Really, really wicked track car. Excited to have that here. We're doing a full 10 mil PPF wrap on this. Ceramic coating, window tint, and windshield protection film. The windshield's done. Some of the PPF is done. The window tint is done. So this thing will be getting finished up this week. And Max is currently working on a Range Rover. Great color on this. I'm a big fan of these SUVs. This one's getting PPF on the front end and the rocker panels. That's what we call our track package. Beside the lift is a Hellcat Challenger. This one's here for a paint correction. It's almost done in the process. This is a cool one. Our friend Jamie has brought us many, many cars, and we appreciate that, and the trust he puts in us to work on his cars. This is a 1992, I think, Camry. Very low mileage car, super freaking clean. Jamie collects all sorts of like late 80s, early 90s, I think Japanese cars specifically, and check out the 50/50 on this hood. So the paint's in great shape, it just needs a little polish. And so we polished the right, not the left, of course. Pretty dramatic difference. This thing's getting ceramic coated as well. It's gonna look like a brand new 1992 when it rolls out of here. He's also got a YouTube channel. John will make sure he posts the link or the handle for that in the video. Check him out. Zach and Caleb are both currently working on a Mercedes-Benz GLA, I think this is. Had some water spotting on the top of the car. We're polishing that out and recoating those areas. And there's a Trail Boss Silverado here. This one got some PPF on the front end, and it's getting a ceramic coating. And this motorcycle is here for an annual inspection. I think this is the 4th or 5th year for this one. PennDOT is over here working on a scrubber. Outside, get your last look at my Stealth Wrap truck, because we're gonna have a new Stealth Wrap truck. New one finally came in, been waiting on it for 6 months. It's the same truck, just different. And then we have my wife's Escalade, happens to be sitting here, also Stealth Wrapped. We love xpel Stealth. Our loaner car is here. That just got dropped off. There was a Nissan Z here that got a paint correction and picked up. If you guys don't know this, I talk about it all the time. We are the only shop around that when you drop your car off with us, you get to drive ours around for free. No rental cars, no hassle. Show up, give us your insurance card and license, leave with our car. We're proud of that. We have an Acura, I think this is the MDX. I always get it confused with the RDX. Got some PPF, I believe a ceramic coating as well. I was out of the shop for a few days last week. And then a Toyota Land Cruiser. What a cool car. PPF on the front end and window tint, and I think a ceramic coating. And over here is an Audi S5. You guys might remember JM that worked with us. He moved on to a position selling insurance, and it's back here for paint protection film on some of this car. So always nice when former employees bring stuff in and we get to see them and say hi.
Flat Glass Man here with another weekly update. Today I'm just in the shop resupplying for a small job in Greensburg, but I actually wanted to share about a project we did yesterday in Greensburg as well. We installed xpel Stealth on some countertops at this beautiful home. The customer was worried about the countertops being stained with red wine or sauce or anything else because it's a nice white color, but he wanted to keep the flat finish of the stone and not enhance it, which we would have used the xpel Ultimate films on. Let us know what you think, and if you have any interest in protecting your countertops or different appliances and surfaces in your home, give us a call. We'd be happy to come check you out. See you guys next time.
Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and Miami.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have a freshly tinted Mercedes. This vehicle is in to get the 2 front windows tinted to match the factory tint. Next up for some paint protection filmed ceramic coating is this Porsche Boxster. This was fully PPF'd by another shop, and we're going to be re-PPFing the rocker panel, quarter panel, and back bumper. Once that is complete, we're going to be doing a full ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, including the soft top and the wheels. Next up, we have a 2025 Cadillac Escalade. We have tinted the 2 front windows on this vehicle, 20% to match the factory tint. It is next in line for a full front clip and paint protection film. Once that is done, we'll be polishing out the rest of the vehicle and doing a 4-year ceramic coating. Our full wrap of the week is this Hummer EV. This is black on black. You can see the flares are more metallic. Those are going to remain gloss. All of the black paint is going to be Stealth. So it's going to be almost a 2-tone look, a satin and a gloss Hummer EV. We have also tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Once the PPF is laid, we are going to be coating the entire vehicle in our Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Also in for a ceramic coating is this RS6. We previously did a full wrap, a full Ultimate Plus PPF wrap on this vehicle, and it's back at the shop this week for a ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this C8. Very cool feature on this, aftermarket obviously, is the Lambo doors. This is in the shop this week to get a full front clip and our 8mm paint protection film and a full polish with an 8-year coating. Next up for window tint is a bit of a project here. This should be here for the duration of the week. This is a 91 Dodge Stealth. This is getting tint on the side windows and the back window. Back in the PPF bay is another Rapid Blue C8, this one an E-Ray. We did a full wrap on this vehicle about a year ago, and unfortunately it had some damage just behind the back wheel. Thankfully, PPF did do its job and saved the paint, so it's back in the shop now to get that piece removed and reapplied. Up on the lift, we have Steve and Austin working on a Porsche Cayenne. This is in for a full front clip and our 8mm paint protection film.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. See what we got going on today.
In the PPF bay, we have this Z06 that came in for an annual inspection. Got the front bumper replaced due to a couple rock chips that the customer didn't want to see anymore. Protected the paint, and now fresh as new. On the lift, we have this Cayman GTS, a tint for a track pack. Gentleman just purchased this vehicle and intends to use it for sole track purpose. Here we have a 2005 911 Turbo. It's here for a full body paint protection film. Currently halfway through the process of it. This is a full bulk install due to the age of the vehicle. In the tint bay, we have this Jaguar. It's in for a full ceramic plus film all around and our XR Plus 20. Outside and ready for pickup is this Mercedes SL63 AMG. Came in for a full track pack and full tint all around, including the front windshield and our XR Plus. This is a factory matte paint job, so protecting this car as much as possible is the best route to go. On the lift, we have this GT4 RS that's here for a full body paint protection film and our Ultimate 8, and received our XR Plus window tint all the way around, including the windshield.
Thank you guys for checking in with What's in the Shop Wednesday. Many of you see us week after week checking out what we're working on. We have a new announcement. If we haven't already told you guys on YouTube, we are going to have a store in Sarasota near the Lakewood Ranch area. So keep an eye out for our 4th location. And then we're going to have a 5th location coming very, very soon. Not ready to announce that one yet, but very soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you next week.